Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hoppin', Easter's on its way, bringing every girl and boy baskets.
Go. It's almost Easter, and it's snowing outside. Oh, falling down. We're about to go play in that snow. Let's go. We're ready! Yay! Let's go! Going into the world unknown. One large step for man, and a big leap for this video. Woohoo! Yeah! It's snowing, can you tell? I think I caught one. It's getting on the camera. Woohoo! Well, that's our video. It's cold outside, and we're going to eat. Out to eat, actually. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! We hope you enjoyed it, and remember, move, move, shake, shake, now drop. And have a good Easter. Bye!